How to add link to Facebook story. To get started, first of all open up the Instagram application on your phone. We'll be using Instagram because if you add a link directly from Facebook, it won't be clickable. So on this page, tap on your story at the top left corner. From here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll to add to your story. Select the photo that you like. Then, tap on the sticker icon at the top. Here, tap on link as shown. Now, type in the URL of the page you want to add. After that, tap on Done. Then, tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner. Over here, tap on your story. Then, tap on Share below. This will share the story to Facebook as well. You have now successfully shared this story to both Instagram and Facebook. Now, go back and open up the Facebook application. As you can see, the story has already been posted. Tap on your story to view it. Following these steps, you can easily add link to Facebook story.